So, I've been seeing the comments lately. Apparently, I'm a terrible mechanic. Apparently, these tips are basic. And apparently, I should already know everything. Cool. Let me clear something up real quick. I'm not a full-time mechanic. I haven't been for over 25 years. I'm a realtor. Yeah, I sell houses. But I also still wrench on my own stuff, build my hot rod, and spend more time in the garage than most of you people that are probably talking trash in my comments. Here's the part that's funny to me. Every single dumb tip I post, there's someone out there seeing it for the first time. There's someone who just saved 30 minutes. Someone who didn't snap a bolt. Someone who didn't even throw a wrench across the garage. But the internet's full of experts, right? You know, guys who've known that forever. Guys who've been doing it for 30 plus years. All right, then why are you watching? Here's the truth. Not everything needs to be revolutionary. Sometimes it just needs to be useful. And if a simple tool or a trick makes the job easier, I'm sharing it. And yeah, sometimes I find a tool and go, wait, this exists? Because I didn't spend the last 25 years in a shop. What I did is I built a business, I built a brand, and I still build cars in my garage. So if that bothers you, you got two options. You can keep scrolling or keep watching and maybe, just maybe, you might learn something. But guys, listen, I'm not here to impress the mechanics. I'm here for the guys in their garage, after work, the weekend builders, the ones trying to figure it out as they go, because that's who I am. And if that makes me a bad mechanic, I'll take it.